How to add knowledge base in n8n. To add a knowledge base in n8n, start by selecting a storage solution such as Google Drive, Notion, or a database like Neon Postgres. Create a new workflow in n8n and set up a trigger node to monitor changes in your chosen storage location. For instance, use the Google Drive trigger to detect new or updated documents. Next, add a node to extract the content from these documents, utilizing tools like LangChain's document loader for various file formats. Process the extracted content by chunking it into manageable pieces and generating embeddings using an AI model, like OpenAI's Ada embeddings. Store these embeddings in your selected storage solution, such as a vector database, to facilitate efficient retrieval. Finally, integrate an AI model, such as OpenAI's GPT, to query the stored knowledge base and generate context-aware responses to user inputs. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.